So process scenario they have given for P0 to P4, 5 processes, allocation and maximum they have given. So from these two, allocation and maximum, we can compute the need of each and every process, that is maximum minus allocation. So the need of each process will be equal to 7 minus 0, that is 7, 5 minus 1 is 4 and 3 minus 0 is 3. 7, 4, 3 for process number 0. This is 7. And for remaining it will be 1, 2, 2, 6, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1 and 4, 3, 1. This is the need matrix. This is one here. Now they have not given me proper data. Available resources for ABC is x comma 3 comma 2. So they are asking that what is the smallest value of x to ensure that system is in safe state. Let us consider that x is equal to 0. Initially I am just considering that x is equal to 0, not 2. X is equal to 0. That means my available is equal to 0 comma 3 comma 2. Now I'll see that with this particular availability 0, 3, 2, which process I can execute. Now we can understand that P3 is having less count of need than 0, 3, 2, that is 0, 1, 1. So I can execute P3. If I'll execute P3 first, then after execution of P3, its allocation, that is 2, 1, 1 will be added into my available. So if 2, 1, 1 will be added into my available, then new available will be 2, 4 and 3 after P3. With the help of 2, 4, 3, I can now execute my next process, that is P1. You can understand that 1, 2, 2 is the need for P1. So I can execute P1 now. If I can execute P1 now, then after execution of P1, the allocated resources of P1 will be released and it will be added into available. So allocated to P1, that is 2, 0, 0, 4, 4, 3 will be my available resources after P1. After P1 I am having resources 4, 4, 3. Now the remaining processes, P4 also I can execute. P4 is having need 4, 3, 1. 4, 3, 1 is less than equal to 4, 4, 3. So I can execute P4 after that, and its allocated or allocation will be added into my available. So 0, 0, 2 will be added into 4, 4, 3 and my available will be 4, 4 and 5. 4, 4, 5 will be after P4. Now if I want to execute process among P2 or P0, then I will need at least 7 resources of A or 6 resources of A, and right now I am having 4 resources of A. That means I cannot execute any of P0 or P2. If I want to execute P0 or P2, then I will require 2 more resources of A. So if we have assumed initially x is equal to 0, then we will have to assume x is equal to 2. If we have assumed x is equal to 2, then after P3, P1 and P2 my available will be, so for x is equal to 2, available after P3, P1 and P4 will be 6, 4 and 5, and with the help of 6, 4, 5 I can execute this P2, and after that its allocated will be added and its allocation is 302, that will be added, and after addition my new available will be 9, 4 and plus 2, that is 7, and with the help of 9, 4, 7 I can execute my process P0 also. So my x should be 2 so that my system will be in the safe state. Answer is 2.